Hello everyone, welcome to my full course on Filmora 13. So in this particular lecture series, you will understand about how can you remove your background with the help of green screen remover feature in Filmora 13. So without wasting any time, let's start our video. So as you can see on screen, I have one video I have already added to my library. So now I just need to drag and drop to the our timeline. So our video is here. So now I will trim unnecessary part of video first. Okay, so let's trim from here. As you can see, I have applied cut tool here. Okay, so it has been splitted with two part. Okay, and similarly now here I have to apply cut again, and now I have to delete first part. So if I have to delete first part, then I will click here and hit the delete button, and similarly I will click this part and delete. So this is our middle section. So first of all, you have to detach your audio file. Detach audio file means removal of existing audio from your video. Okay, so just right click on your video, and here you will see detach audio. So it will separate your audio file from your video. So this is your video and this is your audio. So I will delete this audio file. Okay, so this is our video with no sound. Now what do you have to do? We have to crop our video. We have to crop our video for green screen. So just right click on it, and here you will see crop option, and from here you have to select custom. And fit it to the your green screen. Okay, this is our green screen area, and hit the apply button. So this is our green screen area. Now in order to remove this green screen, just you have to right click on it, or you can click on this icon. So if you will click on this icon, you will see three different options here. First one is chroma key, another one is AI portrait, and third one is smart cutout. So we will discuss AI portrait and smart cutout later on this video. Okay, first of all we will talk about chroma key. So chroma key is basically stand for green screen. Okay, green screen background. Okay, so just click on chroma key, and you have to enable chroma key from here. Now our background have been removed successfully. Okay, so now I can put any background behind me. Okay, so you can adjust some setting from here like this, and when you will okay, then click on okay. Okay, now if I have to set any background, then I will go on stock media and just select any background which I want. Let's select stock media, then library. Suppose if I have to use this orange background, then I will simply drag and drop below, just below the our video. Okay, and you can extend it. Now let's play our video. So this is our preview, but it is looking too much simple, so just make it cinematic. So just delete it. Okay, so just delete it. Okay, now let's pick some awesome background. So for that you have to go on stock media, and from here you can scroll down and look for suitable background. So let's select this. It is totally depending upon your creativity, so just drag and drop here. So from little bit adjustment, it could be look awesome. So color correction is very important here. Okay, currently video is looking too ugly just because light of background and my light both are different. Okay, so it should be in same level. So just we have to make little bit correction. So for that I have to change my face color. Okay, so I will double click on this, and from here I can change color so that it can match with its background. So here we have all presets, so let's use anyone. Actually this is looking so nice. Okay, as I have already told you that creativity is depending upon your mindset. Okay, and from here we have some presets, so just scroll down and just try to match with its background. So let's select dark film. So and from here you can adjust its strength. You don't have to always make it 100%, or you don't have to lower it too much. Basically you have to use your common sense, and like 71%. Now here you will notice major changes in a good way. Now it is looking too much awesome. Object is completely cooperate with its background. And sorry for my English can be bad, but my knowledge is not bad. Okay, so you have to utilize my knowledge. You don't have to judge my language, because English is not my mother tongue. Okay, I am here to spread you what I know. So let's play our video. So I think this part should be deleted, so just delete this. I think now I am matching with its background. Okay, now let's add some other color effects. So for that, just you have to go on effect section, and from here you can select sec. You can just drag and drop on your timeline. Now I need to split my video in two parts because this is my first segment. Similarly, I have added another background like this, and I have also changed temperature because I have to match background color here. Okay, so after little bit adjustment, it is looking like this. So let's play this. Now we can add some transition effect between them because it is changing very quickly. So we should use transition effect between them. So just go on transition and just select glitch transition effect. So let's see which effect should fit our video. Let's drag and drop here. If you don't want to use this effect, you can delete it also. Now try a different glitches effect. Just you have to drag and drop between two video files. I think this is looking awesome, but let's try another transition effect. Drag and drop here. And also this is your preview box. So if you will click on it, it will render your whole video file so that you can preview without any lag. So just click on render button. So it will provide you a smoother preview experience. Otherwise your preview experience would be laggy. So if you want to final preview before exporting your video file, so just you have to click here. Now let's play our video. Let's full screen it. So it is looking too awesome. Now I have to delete some extra part. So that's it for today's video. If you like this video, then you can give me good review, and also please give me one positive comment so that I can make more video like this. Okay, bye bye.